Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are vanishing at an alarming rate. But why is this happening? Today, we uncover the science and the story behind coral bleaching. Coral bleaching occurs when corals expel the algae living within their tissues, turning them stark white. This phenomenon is a clear indicator of stress in the marine environment. These algae, called zooxanthellae, provide corals with their vibrant colors and most of their energy. They are essential for the coral's survival and growth. When stressed by changes in temperature, light, or pollution, corals lose these algae, which leads to the bleaching effect. Without the algae, corals are left vulnerable and weak, making it difficult for them to survive. This can lead to the eventual death of the coral reef ecosystem. The primary culprit? Rising sea temperatures caused by climate change. Even a slight temperature increase can disrupt the delicate symbiosis between corals and their algae. Other contributors include ocean acidification, pollution from land-based activities, and destructive fishing practices. Bleached corals are not dead, but they are in grave danger. When corals bleach, they lose the symbiotic algae that provide them with energy. This makes them more susceptible to disease and environmental stress. Prolonged bleaching can kill them, collapsing ecosystems that millions of marine species rely on. The loss of these ecosystems can lead to a decline in fish populations and other marine life. For humans, this means losing natural coastal protection, fisheries, and a crucial source of global biodiversity. The economic impact on communities that depend on these resources can be devastating, affecting livelihoods and food security. Recovery is possible if conditions improve quickly. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, minimizing pollution, and supporting coral restoration efforts are vital steps. While reefs are resilient, they need our help to thrive again. Coral reefs are more than underwater wonders. They are the vibrant heart of our oceans, teeming with life and color. They're lifelines for marine life and humans alike, providing food, protection, and even medicine. Protecting them begins with understanding the impact of our actions, from pollution to climate change. Let's work together to save these precious ecosystems before it's too late. Join local cleanup efforts, support sustainable practices, and spread awareness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Events Explained for more insights into our planet's wonders. Together, we can make a difference.